What's up, guys? Right now I am working on a fingerboard video part because the last sponsor me video wasn't really as well. So basically this vid will be like kind of longer. So basically the theme of the video is going to be like outside obstacles, like no made obstacles, or because I'm still in need of a full setup of some pro fingerboards, not any tech deck fingerboards or anything like that. And obstacles, ramps, rails, gaps, anything. I'm in need of. I'm just in need of anything that's fingerboardable. So basically, right now I'm just working on a sponsor video. Like, it's taking me a long time right now. So right now I'm just working on a sponsor video. So you guys, you can help me out with this video if you want to. Just PM me or comment, and then get back to me, and I'll get right back to you to help tap out in this video, because I really need help with the editing. I need help with the editing in the video, because I know it might take a long time for editing, so that's what I need. I need help with the editing, and that's about it. So just stay tuned until the video comes out. Once it comes out, all you people that have sponsors, or all you sponsors out there, please, if you have an opening spot, I don't care what company I will skate for, I'm just a company. So if you have an opening spot, then thanks, man. Yeah, thanks whoever runs the company. So thanks. Please subscribe, rate, and comment, and trust me, I need more subscribers. More subscribers make me have more videos, as in like now, because as in now I'm deleting all my other videos like now, because I'm gonna start over the whole new channel. So I'm deleting every single one of my videos. So yeah, that's about it. So peace out.